Message today is going to the young South Sudanese. I want to talk about Bolmel being given the position as a vice president. But before I touch on that topic, I want a quick message to my South Sudanese youth. I want us youth as South Sudanese to unite. Believe it or not, we are the only solution to this mess that is going on in our country. I must say this whole message in English because I want our young people to understand. Let's remove the tribalism from our head and from our heart. That is our old ways. That is how our parents run our country. And you guys have seen where it had ended us. Yes, tribe is your identity, but you are first South Sudanese and then your tribe. When you introduce yourself, you said, I'm from South Sudan. You are from South Sudan. South Sudan come first, and then your tribe come after. You are South Sudanese before you are Shuluk. You are South Sudanese before you are Nuer. You are South Sudanese before you are Dinka. You guys hearing me? You guys have seen our country, huh? There is no job. There is no education. Even education is very expensive. And even when you finish your university and you have a degree, there is no job for you. Everything is being controlled by the foreigners. The way our leaders are running our country, huh? It's gonna put us in it's gonna put us in a lot of debt, huh? It's gonna a lot of depression. You see, majority of the South Sudanese youth are not even in the country. They are dying in Libya. They are dying in Egypt. They are dying wherever they're dying. Because if our country, we don't lack anything. Guys, our country is a country of milk and honey. Our country is blessed. It's the Eden, the Garden of Eden. That is Sudan. That is we don't lack anything. It's only leadership. It's only our leaders that are letting us down. And that's why a lot of our youth are suffering elsewhere. And then they will use this tribalism, huh, to keep us fighting, to keep us killing each other. Nobody's benefiting. You youth, when you kill each other, do you guys benefit? You don't benefit. This rich government, huh, their kids are not even in the country. Their kids are not affected. They are not affected because they are well protected in their own home. At the end of the day, it's your mother, it's your fathers, it's your children that are being affected. Let's stop fighting ourselves. Let's not fight ourselves. Because you guys have seen the incident in North Sudan. When they were killing our people like animals, when they slaughtered them, the children and the women. Did you see them guys dividing them and say, this is Nuer, this is Dinka, this is Shuluk, let's kill them? They killed them in the name of Sudan. Ya Shabab bita Sudan. احنا الجنوبيين اول شيء قبل قبيلتك انت جنوبي قبل قبيلتك comes second. The name of South Sudan comes first. Your tribe comes second. We need to unite, huh? Yes, we are grateful for our elders. We are grateful for Nas Al Kubare. We are grateful for them because without them we wouldn't have a country. But we thought once they have fought the country, because we were too little at that time, we can't fight it. Once they have fought for what is the country, they're supposed to hand it over for us to run it now. Because we understand what's going on in the world. The world is not the same anymore. We understand it better and we could run it better. And then they should have just sit down and eat with their mouth. Enjoy their life. You know, if they're blessed and they did not die during the war, they should be enjoying their life with their children, with their grandchildren. And we young people should run the country. It's about time we take control. Huh? Don't let them fool you into this tribalism. Huh? Because at the end of the day, our country is our country. You are nobody without a country.